Hello YouTube, welcome back to another Java programming tutorial video. And in this video we're going to talk about something called if-else statements. So what an if-else statement does is that it's just what it sounds like if something is true, then it runs a block of code. Else, which means it's not true, it runs another block of code. So let's first talk about the basic syntax for if-else statements. It's like if, and then you have a pair of parentheses, and inside that is a Boolean statement. So let's say if true, which is obviously true, you run a block of code. Yeah. So whenever you see a pair of curly braces, that means what's inside is a block of code, and it gets executed together. And then we have a else, and be careful, else is after the second curly brace. And then we're going to put another pair and block another block of code, right? And this is run with the above Boolean statement is true. And this is run if the Boolean statement is not true. So, right, this is a Boolean statement. So, most of the time you're not going to have if true. You're going to have if, let's say, if 1 equals 1. So notice how I use the double equals instead of the single equals that we use in the declaration of a variable. That is because the double equals actually compares the two values on the either side of it, instead of assigning the 1 to the left of it, right? So this is the equal sign that we use in math, and this is the assignment operator that we use in Java, right? So this is the basic syntax, and let's delete 1 equals 1. Let's say we have a variable called score, and it is equal to 80, right? And then let's say if score is equal to 100, then the block of code is going to be then you print score is 100, right? And then if score is not 100, you print out score is not 100. Okay, and let's run it. What's going to happen? Take a second and think about what's going to happen. And yeah, I'll run it. Score is not 100. And because we assign 80 to the variable score, so obviously that's not 100. And here we convert it to 100. So this part returns to false, which means it's going to skip this block of code and run the else block, which prints out score is not 100. And this is exactly what we got in the output, right? So yeah, that's basically it for the if-else statement in Java. And in the next video, we're going to talk about if, else if, and else statements. So that basically lets you evaluate two conditions. So one like this, and then another condition before the else. And if nothing returns true above the else block is run. So stay tuned for the next video. And remember to like and subscribe if you liked this video and more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video.